All right guys. All right. So panoorin niyo ito. Ito yung battle between Philippine mainstream media and international mainstream media. You will see the difference how they broadcast kung anong pangyayari. So, let's see. Panoorin nyo.
President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. after Vice President Sara Duterte made an alarming claim that she had contracted a hitman to assassinate the president, his wife, and the House of Representatives Speaker if she gets killed. A statement, the Vice President said, and I quote, "I already talked to a person in my security. I told him if I get killed, kill the president, Ferdinand Marcos, his wife, and First Lady Liza Araneta, and President's cousin and Speaker Martin Romualdez." Duterte's statement comes after the budget for the Vice President's office was slashed to nearly 67% by the House of Representatives, led by Martin. Furthermore, she is also facing a threat of impeachment in the House of Representatives.
O, diba? Nakita niyo yung difference? Napakabasura talaga ang mainstream media sa atin pag nagbalita. Ang talagang ina-slash nila, hindi nila sinasabi yung buong context. Kaya yang ang mainstream media sa atin sa Pilipinas, mga basura like ABS-CBN, GMA, TV5, ano pa, yung isa, TV5, mayroon pa isa nakalimutan ko. Yang mga yan, wag na po kayong manood dyan kasi yung mga pinagbabalita nila, puro slash. Hindi nila binabalita sa inyo ang whole context kung ano ang totoong sinabi ng ating Vice President. Pinapasama nila. Wala nang F as in talagang may flat, may